Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Interactive Brokers trading platform. First, securely log into your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This central hub displays your account summary, market data, and quick access to various features. Take a moment to explore the navigation menus to find essential trading tools, account management options, and support resources. This initial step ensures you can efficiently move around the platform. Now let's place a trade. Use the search bar to find the specific stock, option, or other asset you wish to trade. Once selected, the order entry panel will appear. Here, you'll specify your order type, such as market or limit, the quantity of shares, and your desired price. Review all the details carefully before clicking the Submit button. A confirmation window will then prompt you to finalize your trade, ensuring accuracy before execution. After placing trades, monitoring your investments is crucial. The Portfolio section provides a comprehensive overview of your holdings, showing real-time performance, profit and loss, and overall account value. You can also create custom watch lists to track specific stocks or assets you are interested in, without necessarily owning them. For detailed financial records, navigate to the Statements section to access account activity reports and tax documents. Beyond basic trading, Interactive Brokers offers powerful advanced tools. Dive into sophisticated charting features with numerous indicators to analyze market trends. Explore the extensive research and news sections for expert analysis, company reports, and real-time market updates to inform your decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These resources can significantly enhance your trading strategy and help you make more informed choices on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.